Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'm going to show you all how to make tiger prawns red masala fry. So let's begin. So for making tiger prawns red masala fry, we are going to use ginger paste, garlic paste, coriander powder, freshly squeezed lemon juice and turmeric powder. So we'll be also requiring Kashmiri red chili powder, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic chopped or crushed, meaty seeds, we want only 1 teaspoon of also called fenugreek seeds, pepper powder, coriander leaves chopped and curry leaves chopped. We'll be also using vegetable oil 2 to 3 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. And the main ingredient, the star of the dish, tiger prawns. So the first thing, we are going to show you how to clean the prawns. So this is the head and the tail. First, cut this part. Then cut this tail. It's very sharp. Then we are going to cut all the prawns legs, everything. You can also do with the help of a knife. Now I'm going to cut it the shell part. I'm not going to remove it, I'm just going to cut it in half. I want to show you this part, the black thread. Just remove it. You can see the black thread. This part you have to remove it, it's not good. And I also like to show you this is the brain of the prawns. Now it's not compulsory you can use it, but trust me, don't remove it. It's very flavorful, gives an awesome taste, but if you don't like it you can remove it. I'm also going to remove this one and I'm going to cut the eyes and the head. Now rinse with water once and then we are going to fill with all the masalas. I have cleaned the prawns and I'm going to, with the help of a knife, I'm just going to give a little deep slit. What will happen when you add a stuffing inside, it will be really good and it will fry also very well. So all the prawns, I'm just going to cut it little deeply. I have not made it in half, I'm just cutting it and just giving a slit. That's it. Can you see? This is a meaty seeds of fenugreek seeds which are pounded and made it as a powder. So we are going to make the marination. We are going to take turmeric powder, coriander powder, ginger paste, garlic paste, pepper powder, lemon juice, red chili powder, coriander leaves, curry leaves, the salt, fenugreek powder, and we're going to add little water. Mix it and we'll make a thick paste. And we're going to stuff this inside the prawns. It's ready. So the stuffing, I'm going to put it inside the prawns. Just put everywhere inside the prawns. And it's going to fry it. It's going to taste so good. Once you fill it, you're going to marinate all this for half an hour. Only after half an hour, we're going to start with the next process. Here it's done. So friends, we have taken a pan, heat it, and we're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We require a little bit of more oil than usually what we use it. Let the oil get heated up and we are going to add the butter. I've taken unsalted butter. The butter flavor for the prawns is going to just take it in a next level. Let it heat. The oil is heated and now I'm going to add the crushed garlic. We're going to saute it for a few minutes and then we'll add our prawns. Fry it for a few minutes. So I've sauteed it for 1 minute and now I'm going to add our prawns. I'm going to press it and don't keep it in very high flame. Keep it in medium flame. And all the remaining stuff, the masalas, I'm going to top it on prawns. We're not going to waste anything. All the flavors. I'm going to fry it in slow flame and I'm going to cover it. And for 5 minutes we're going to cook it. So it's been 5 minutes. Now I'm going to turn it. And all this garlic which is fried, I'm going to top it on the prawns, the butter, the garlic. It is so beautiful flavors, I can't tell you. You have to make it at home to enjoy these flavors. And we're going to cook it for 2-3 minutes. Now doesn't require more time. So friends, here is my tiger prawns ready. Now I'm going to plate it. So friends, here is my beautiful tiger prawns red masala ready. So I hope you liked today's recipe. Please do try, share with your friends and family, subscribe my channel. Until then, see you. Bye next time.